Hi, this is David Klein Levitt, Next Home First Choice Realty. And I just want to let you know that I wrote a book. A lot of people write books and it's great, and what an achievement to write a book. Well, I wrote a book specifically on real estate, and the title of it is 101 Reasons to Love Your Real Estate Agent. Find Your Agent for Life. And believe it or not, because I look so young, I've actually been licensed since 1979 and became a full-time agent in 1984. And that's 35 years of experience. And so what I did is I wrote down from all of my years of experience all of the different hats that a realtor wears for you. I'm talking about not only just being a realtor, but being a chauffeur, being a coach, a confidant, a counselor, a business associate, on and on and on, an accountant, a negotiator, all of the different things. So you, as someone in the public, can get a better idea of what it is to be a real estate agent, and what an agent does for you, and what you can anticipate that they do for you. And most of all, appreciate all that they do for you. It's so much more, the expression of an iceberg. Most everything is underneath the surface. It's the same way for a real estate agent. There's so many things they do for you, and there's so much value. A lot of times people don't feel and see the value, and that's a problem in the industry, and this will help that. So if you decide to work with me, and I think you should, just for making an appointment, you get a copy of this book, and you can always buy it on Amazon. But most of all, just be blessed, and just know that whatever agent you're working with, they really are, especially if it's me, working for your best interest. This is David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice. Make that your first choice. Realty. Peace and blessings.